In this video, we will discuss profile and profile view labeling. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file profile and profile view labeling.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. There are many profile and profile view labeling tools to better communicate your design. Let's first look at grip editing. Let's edit this specific label, which starts at the beginning of our project. We'll go ahead and hold the Control key down and select the actual label. You first, of course, can then grip edit it if you wanted to, let's say, pull it out with a multi-leader. And now if I wanted to edit this specific label, you go to the ribbon and click on the Edit Label Text. We want to edit the PVIS and click OK. So we are now going to override the default label style. This is standard label editing functionality. Let's go ahead and get rid of the grade break, and we'll call this one Begin Bypass 100, and then leave the stationing there. We'll go ahead and click OK here, and notice how it overrides that label, allowing us to put in there whatever we would like to. Press Escape to clear your selection set. Let's look at the additional profile labels that you can add. We'll go ahead and select our profile itself and click on Edit Profile Labels. Let's say now I want to add in the horizontal geometry points because I want to show the actual PCs, PTs, and so on. Click Add, and then you can tell Civil 3D which ones to show. We'll just leave the default on, click OK, and then click OK again. Notice how you now have the PC, the mid, and the PT. If anything changes in the horizontal, these labels will update automatically. Let's look at profile view labels. So we'll go ahead and select the profile view, and let's look at the Add View Labels dropdown. You can do a station elevation label, which is pretty simple. You just define the station elevation where you want to define something. So we'll go ahead and just simply snap somewhere, and then we'll just define that label there. Of course, these labels are dynamically linked to the profile view. If we go ahead and copy these labels, notice how they're updating automatically. Let's go ahead and select our profile view again. And lastly, we can do a depth label. What it allows you to do is it allows you to define at a specific station an actual depth between two locations. So as you can see here, I snap to that profile and the existing surface, and you can actually see a depth.